Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It is a revolutionary system with interconnected parts. At its heart, Bitcoin is a network of computers. These computers communicate with each other. They use special software called Bitcoin software. This software enables them to work together. This network acts as a decentralized ledger. It tracks all Bitcoin transactions. Imagine it as a digital book. Every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin, it's recorded in this book. But unlike traditional ledgers, this book is not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it's distributed across the entire network. This makes Bitcoin incredibly secure and transparent. Every transaction is visible to everyone on the network. There is no central authority that can manipulate transactions or control the system. This decentralized nature is a key innovation of Bitcoin. It sets it apart from traditional financial systems. Understanding this foundation is crucial to grasping the power and potential of Bitcoin. The software that powers the Bitcoin network is open source. This means the code is publicly available. Anyone can view, use, and even modify it. This open source nature is fundamental to Bitcoin's philosophy. It promotes transparency, security, and innovation. The origins of this software can be traced back to a mysterious figure. This individual, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, published the Bitcoin white paper in 2008. This white paper laid out the foundation for this revolutionary system. Nakamoto also released the first version of the Bitcoin software. Since then, the development of the software has been a collaborative effort. Developers from all over the world contribute to its improvement. This open and decentralized approach ensures that no single entity controls Bitcoin. It also allows anyone to audit the code. This transparency helps to build trust and security in the system. The open-source nature of Bitcoin is a testament to its commitment to decentralization and community-driven development. The Bitcoin protocol is a set of rules. These rules govern how the Bitcoin system operates. These rules are written in computer code. They are compiled into the Bitcoin software. The protocol defines essential aspects of Bitcoin. This includes the maximum number of Bitcoins that can exist. It also defines how new Bitcoins are created. This process is known as mining. The protocol also outlines how transactions are validated and added to the blockchain. The blockchain is a public record of all Bitcoin transactions. The Bitcoin protocol is designed to be secure and tamper-proof. It ensures that all transactions are legitimate. It also prevents double spending. This means that someone cannot spend the same Bitcoin twice. The protocol is constantly being refined and improved. This ensures that Bitcoin remains secure and efficient. It also allows it to adapt to changing technological landscapes. The Bitcoin protocol is a critical component of the Bitcoin system. It provides the framework for a secure and reliable digital currency. Bitcoin nodes are the backbone of the Bitcoin network. They are individual computers that run the Bitcoin software. These nodes are connected to the internet. They communicate with each other to maintain the network. Each node stores a copy of the Bitcoin blockchain. This distributed ledger contains the history of every Bitcoin transaction. When a new transaction occurs, it is broadcast to the network. Nodes verify the transaction. They make sure it follows the rules of the Bitcoin protocol. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block. These blocks are then added to the blockchain. This process ensures that all nodes have a consistent view of the network. Bitcoin nodes play a vital role in maintaining the security and integrity of the network. They act as auditors. They make sure that all transactions are valid. They also prevent any single entity from controlling the network. The decentralized nature of the Bitcoin network is its strength. This is made possible by the thousands of nodes that operate around the world.